So this is Fitchburg furnace, and it was operational in Civil War time, and it just got shut down basically because Alabama was a huge steel hub. So with getting everything out of here, getting it to Alabama and stuff at the time, no roads, and we're in the mountains of eastern Kentucky, a little community called Fitchburg. And so basically it's very unique in the sense that it's still standing. And if you look, a lot of people think it's a castle. It's not. It's a steel mill. It was a smelting. Red River Furnace, Frank Fitch. But very, very pretty place. Back probably 4 years ago or so, they redid it. The casting house was a wooden shed which covered the sand molds where the iron was run. Note the depression in the stone directly above the archway, which held the roof of the shed. Long trenches sloping gradually from the front of the furnace were made of molding sand with enough clay to permit their molded to the desired shape. When the iron was ready to be drawn, a worker with a long-handled tongs would grasp the clay plug in the damp stone. With a skilled twist, removed it. The molten metal shot out of the opening, filling the main feeder trench. As this trench filled, guttermen diverted the molten iron into side trenches, forming a series of bars from 4 to 6 feet long and 60 to 250 pounds each. Bars from the main trench were sows, while bars from the others were pigs, hence the term pig iron. Now, I grew up in the country, went to a little country school, elementary school, and every year they would bring us up here for field trips. I don't know if it was cruel or whatever. As you get older in life, you think it's cool to be here, but this was one of our field trips growing up. Right down there is the road. There's a little ditch that runs along the road, and to this day you can walk along that ditch and you can pick up ore out of it. It's pretty cool, but just thought we'd share that with you today. We wasn't really planning on doing anything or filming anything this week, and just happened to be in the area and it worked out. But we got some big things planned. See y'all later.